Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add tokens on Stargazer. Adding tokens to Stargazer depends on whether the token you want to add is already supported by the wallet or not. Simply go ahead and open up your Stargazer wallet and log into your wallet first. Simply enter your password and click on Unlock in order to log into your wallet. Once you're signed in, scroll all the way down and tap on Manage Tokens option from the main homepage. A list of supported tokens will appear. Find the token you would like to add and tap on the toggle button right next to the token, and then soon after you are done, the token now will be visible in your wallet balance. If you don't see a token over here, you can go to the top right hand corner and tap on the plus icon. Select the network that the token is on from the top of the screen and then enter the contract address of the token, and after you are done with it, tap on Add Token button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, the token will now be visible in your wallet balance. So that's how you will be able to add a token on Stargazer. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.